place where golden sunsets kiss turquoise waters and ancient culture meets modern charm. Our journey begins high above the hills with a view that will leave you breathless. Towering 45 meters above the island, the Great Buddha of Phuket is more than just a statue. It's a symbol of peace, serenity, and spiritual strength. Now, we descend into the heartbeat of local life, the Phuket Market. A kaleidoscope of colors, flavors, and voices. From sizzling street food to hand-woven crafts, every corner tells a story.
Oh, to get a coffee, I think, brought me out.
Smell the spice of Thai curry, hear the chatter of cheerful vendors, and maybe even taste the freshest mango you've ever had. This is not just a market, it's a celebration of Thai culture, tradition, and community. And finally, we arrive at the soul of the island, the beach. Soft, golden sand between your toes, the rhythm of waves dancing in the distance. Whether you're sunbathing, surfing, or simply watching the horizon, Phuket's beaches offer pure tranquility. As the sun dips low, painting the sky with shades of orange and pink, it's clear, moments like these are what memories are made of.